How to recover your Bitmart account. Open the Bitmart app on your device and you can see this type of interface. Go ahead and tap on the sign up/sign in and tap on forgot password. Once you do that, you can just go ahead and enter your phone number or the email address with which you had registered to Bitmart. Go ahead and tap on next after you have entered that, and you should see this option. What you need to do is select the picture in order and tap on OK. Once you do that, what you need to do now is enter the verification code. So go ahead and tap on send, which is over here. Once you tap on send, you should go to your email. Once you go to your email, you can now see the code. Go ahead and copy the code and go back to the Bitmart app. Once you go to the Bitmart app, just go ahead and paste the code over here and tap on confirm. So now, what you need to do is enter your new password. So after you have done that, you can see the security issues, if it is good, if it is bad, and you can just go ahead and enter the same password down the box. You can check the password once and then tap on confirm. So you can see that if you had previously kept the password and it is the same password, if you have kept it now, you should change it. So go ahead and change the password which you had previously kept, and then you can easily recover your account. So after this process is over, you can see the confirm option. Go ahead and tap on confirm, and now your password has been reset or your account has been recovered successfully. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.